Hi YouTube, Profilo is back. Today I'm going to show you the problem that we had this summer with the Farmi Profi CH27 wood chipping machine. This machine is controlled by a small computer produced by Farmi Forest. It controls, depending on the speed of rotation of the machine, the forward and backward direction for the change of the feeding crane. What happened this summer is that one day anything was not working anymore. We think that it was a software problem in the computer, so we tried to reprogram it by following the manual, but anything was working correctly. In the sense that we were trying to command the normal direction, like forward and backward direction for the crane, but it was moving always backward, or sometimes it was moving conditionally forward for a few seconds. So the machine was not usable anymore. First of all, we thought, since we do have the radio control configuration, we thought it was a problem coming from the radio. So we checked inside this yellow box here all the connections and the relays, and everything was working correctly. So in a second moment, we tried to use the manual command here. As you see, there is a switch here to command the forward and the reverse direction for the feeding. Anything was still not working correctly. So, as I told you, we tried to reprogram the computer, but we weren't able to fix the configuration inside. Fixing the configuration, I mean the configuration that we wanted. So, if you command the forward direction, the crane commands forward and something like that. So, we wrote to the Farmi Assistance Center, and after a few weeks of interview, they actually told us that they weren't able to replace to solve the problem, and so they told us that we had to buy a new computer for 700 euros. Since it is a way too much for us, we decided to solve the problem by this white box here, and this is the version 1. We made a controller with an Arduino Uno and few components inside to restore the original operating mode. Okay, so we have a radio command commanding forward and backward direction, and moreover we were also able to implement the no stress feature, since we do have a speed sensor on the rotor. I'm gonna do a series of 2 or 3 videos, it will depend, showing you the reverse engineering process, the electronic construction of this box here, and moreover the software part, the code that I write for the Arduino Uno. So please stay tuned and follow all the videos. Bye!